We are going to start with a delightful little song called Little Bird on My Window. Little bird on my window, won't you sing me a song? As you fly over the meadow, won't you bring me along? La 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 la.
There are beautiful flowers to be seen from on high. Won't you please take me with you, little bird, as you fly?
La 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 la. Little bird on my window, may your song never end. I will tell you a secret, you're my very best friend. La 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 la.